Good morning once again. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine. Very
Fine,
nice.
fine.
Good, good, good. Happy to see you all again. So, as you all know, that we are doing every day revision of the previous chapters, and then we do our concept, whatever we are doing. So, first I will, yes, Bhavya Sagar, you need to ask something.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so please raise your lower down your hand. So first we will do revision. So today's topic is face value and the place value, which is very interesting topic, right? Place value and the face value. So please open your revision notebooks, take a new page, and whatever I will write here on the board, don't write this in the revision notebook. This will be a concept, today's concept. Whatever I will write here and I will present the screen, then you will write it. I'm going to present the screen on the basis of today's topic. So open your revision notebook, new page, write today's date, write C.W, write revision 3, fast. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write today's date 12 June. Write revision 3. Write C.W. Write chapter 1. Write the topic name as place value and the place value.
Ma'am, we have to write. Ma'am, we have to write PV or place value and face value.
No, full place value and the face value.
Okay.
Topic name should be full. Yes.
In revision notebook,
Every day, what are we doing? Who's this? Which child is this asking? I already instructed yes in the revision notebook. This is your revision number 3.
And Dobadia.
Revision 3 means revision in the notebook, in revision notebook.
you said to take both of book out. That's why.
I said keep both the books with you because after revision we will start the concept also, today's new concept. So I'm going to present the screen now and I will meantime ask the answers from you all. And I will write here. After this you will get, wait a minute. Wait. Yes. Now I will call the child name. Now today I want new names. Bhavya Sagar will give me the answer of first one. Bhavya, what is the place value of this underlined number or the underlined digit or the digit which you are seeing in the red color? 2.
The place value of
What is the place value is?
200.
200. Okay, good. And children, again I am explaining you how to write the place value. You will multiply this 2 with its place. This number is 2. When you multiply this 2 with the 100, you will get 200. So if you want to write in this way for your clearing to the concept, you can write this way also. So 200 is the place value, or you can write 2 and the spelling of 100. This way is also clear. Right. It's up to you. But always remember, when we write the place value, we take that number and multiply it with their place. And the face value will always remain the same number. Do you know the face value, Bhavya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the face value of this number.
2.
2. Thank you. Face value is the number itself. Same number will be the face value. Next child. Next child is, wait. I want the new names. I will select now today those who are. Granth Kapadia. Granth, I'm going to present you my screen. Don't raise hand. I know the students. Today, don't raise hand. I will call
Ma'am,
you.
we have to write 2 multiplied by 100 is equal
Yes, it is better to write in this way so that you will never get confused.
Okay.
Number multiply by its place. The number is 2 and its place is 100. So it's 200. Next is Granth Kapadia. Give me the answer.
Face value 20,000.
Yes. 2
Face
multiply by 10,000 because 10,000 is its place.
yes.
So what you will get?
20,000.
20,000. You can write this way also 20,000 or you can write 20,000 in numbers also. Got it, everyone? What is the face value of this number, Granth?
2.
2. Good. Please write these answers in your notebook. Fast. In 20,000, you will put comma also. And it will remain 2. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, please show the screen.
Just a minute. Now, next child is.
Please, ma'am.
Wait, I'll call the child name. That child only will answer me. Kevian. Yes, Kevian, can you give me the answer? For the third one,
Yes.
I'm going to present the screen and tell me the answer. What is the place value of this number? The number which is highlighted.
10.
Only 10?
50.
Yes. 5 multiply by 10 with its place. When you multiply it, you will get the 50 is the answer. Or you can say 5 tens also, and 5 tens means 50. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the face value of this? What is the face value?
5.
5. Very good. For for place value, you can write here PV, and for face value, you can write short form FV. Face value. Are you all writing in your notebooks?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do fast along with me. As soon as I finish, you also to be finished in your notebooks, please. I will go to the next child, Mantra. Mantra, give me the next answer.
Ma'am, place value of this is 20,000 and face value is 2.
Very good. Place value is 20,000. Same, 2 multiply by 10,000 gives you 20,000. Please put comma.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to
You have written that we have to multiply and we have
Then
to.
you show. Yeah, then only you will understand the concept behind this.
Okay.
Please show the multiplication also. The face value is 2. Why I am showing with the multiplication? Because again and again I am repeating, then that number will multiply by its place. So that's why I am showing you also how you need to present it. Okay, go to the next child, the last one. See, these are the examples I am giving you. Every day we're doing 5 to 10 sums. But I request you to search more sums on the base concept through Google and all, and do more practice at home. Okay, 5 to 10 sums are not sufficient for you all. You need to search it out, the worksheets based on the concept, and do more practice at home also. Yes, Vedant.
Can I say the last one's answer, please, ma'am?
Okay, tell me the last one.
The place value is 10,000 and it will be 80,000.
Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So it will be 80. 8 multiplied by 10,000.
Then it will be 80,000.
80,000.
Place value is 8.
Yes. You will get this with the answer key. Please submit your revision on time. And the face value is 8. So there is no change in the face value. Face value is the number itself. Only change in the place value. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it easy? Place value and face value?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. So you will get this with the answer key in your revision folder. In case if you left out of doing any sum, please do from there, and please attach your work on the daily basis. Attach your revision work daily. I'll give you 1 more minute to complete it fast, and then we start the new concept. At 10:30, I will stop the presentation. It is 10:28, 2 minutes you are getting. Please do fast.
Ma'am, now we will write in class notebook.
Yes, after revision notebook, open the class notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the activity which you have sent yesterday, non-standard method of measuring length, that I forgot it. So we have to send it.
Yeah, you need to attach that work also. It's okay if you have done or not, but you after doing this you can attach later on.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Have you tried that at home? How to measure with the non-standard methods? Good. After 1 minute, I will stop this presentation. So please complete it faster.
Ma'am, there are only 5 sums, no?
There are only 5.
Okay, ma'am.
And I request you, the concept which we are doing in the class, we have done till now 3 concepts, right? Write the number name of the following, and from the number name, write the number and write the place value and the face value. So on these 3 concepts, please search more worksheets based on this concept on the Google. It is available easily, and please do practice. And take till 6-digit numbers. 5 to 6-digit numbers is in our course. larger numbers, right?
Okay, ma'am.
It's 10:30 now. Can I stop the presentation? Everyone completed, I hope.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Even if you have not completed, it's okay. You will get this worksheet with the answer key in your classroom. I'll stop the presentation now. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I'll start the new concept. Now everyone, please ready with your notebook, class notebook. Okay, now look at the board. Write date in your notebook fast. New page of your class notebook. Write new, take out new page of your class notebook. Write today's date. Class notebook, Ane, not in the revision notebook, classwork notebook. I want maths classwork notebook now. Everyone to hold maths classwork notebook, the small one, not the big one. Yes. Please write today's date, write chapter number 2, write the name of the chapter, long and short. Write this question number 1. Convert the following measurements. Is my board clearly visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
MEASUREMENTS. Measurements into centimeters.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your
Yes.
screen is blurred.
Let me wait a minute. Let me clear it. Now?
It is okay.
Okay. See children, till now you know how to measure the object on the ruler, right? For example, if I want to take this pencil, I want to measure this, what is the length of this pencil? So I will take the scale and I will measure it on the scale, that what is the length of this pencil in the centimeters. So from 0 I will start. Always whenever you measure the objects, put the object on the 0 and then measure the length. It is more than 15 centimeter because the full length of this ruler is 15 centimeter. So if I want to measure the length of this pencil, I will start it from the 0 and I will measure it. So it is 615. I will mark here. I will mark it here. 15 centimeter is still here. Then again I will start from here 0 to 1. It is around 16 centimeter is the length of this pencil. Right? So you should know.
It's blur.
It will come within 1 or 2 minutes, Rehan. Okay?
Okay. Ma'am, we have to write cm or centimeter.
cm. Convert it into the cm or centimeters, you can say. So children, do you have any objects near you to you and show me how you can measure the objects?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mania, please show me.
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
wait a minute, I'll pin you. Yes.
This
What
is
is the
a
length?
pencil.
Yes.
I put it on the 0 and it is coming towards 14.10 15 centimeters.
15 centimeter, very good.
Ma'am,
Next child.
can I do?
Who's
Ma'am,
saying Chana? Yes, Vishrut, please show us.
Ma'am, your screen is very blurred. Ma'am,
It will
can you
come,
see?
my dear, no problem. I am not writing anything on the screen. Yes.
And this is my pen. It is 0 to 15 centimeter. It is little bit long, so I will measure it. So it is coming 0 to 1.
Very
It
good.
means it is 16 meter.
Very good. Can you measure and show us the small object if it is near to you?
Can show?
Small pencil, crayon, or which is less than?
Ma'am, I can show.
Ma'am, razor.
Which child is saying I can show?
Ma'am, I can show.
Yes, wait, first Vishruth is showing. Yes, Vishruth.
Ma'am, I have taken the razor. It is size of it.
Put
It is
it from
0.
0 to, yeah.
It is size of 0 to 5.10 centimeter.
5 point,
10 centimeter.
it can be 5.10 centimeter. Yeah, okay. 5
Ma'am,
Kashvi.
Ma'am, I can tell Mox. Ma'am,
Yes,
I can
wait. Tej Kumar, what you are saying?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am,
Okay.
in worksheet, there is point 1, so we have to write point 1. Or there is in measure that pin 1, so we have to write 4 centimeter or point 1.
You need to write 4 centimeter. Approximately give the answer.
But I
Okay.
have written 4 centimeter point A.
Okay.
Ma'am, 4.8 centimeter.
It's okay. Yes, Vihan.
Now I can.
Ma'am, what we have to measure?
I was just telling to the students to measure if you have any objects near to you and show me. Now done. Now done. Can we do this?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, Vihan. Yes, Vihan.
Right, no.
You no need to write anything till now. This you have done? Yes, Vihan, tell me.
you have written measure to right?
Yes. Mute yourself now. Kashvi, mute yourself, please. So I was just discussing the yesterday's topic that how you can measure the objects with the instruments which are with you, like inch tape. Kashvi, mute yourself, please. So we were just revising our yesterday's topic, how to measure the objects, right? Now we will learn how to convert the object. For example, convert the following measurement into centimeter. Sometime if you went to the mark somewhere outside and you have measured, or outside or at home also, you have measured the length of the given table is 5 meter. But mama is asking, or the carpenter is asking, or someone is asking from you, if it is in 5 meter, can you convert it into the centimeter and tell me the answer? Yes, Manya?
Ma'am, 500 centimeters.
Very good. Because we know that 1 meter equals to how many centimeters?
100.
100 centimeters.
So we will multiply 5 meter with 100 centimeters.
Yes. So we multiply, if it is a 5 meter, so we multiply 5 with the 100, we get the 500 centimeter. Okay. So now I will write it in a proper way and then you copy it down. Okay. Sum number A in this is 3 meter. And now into the 3 meter, convert it into the centimeter. Mantra, tell me what will be the answer. How you will convert 3 meter into the centimeter? Mantra, I'm asking from you. Are you waiting for someone to give you answer? 3 meter converted into the centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 3 meter equals to how many centimeters?
I can say
300.
How? Can you explain us? Will you explain us, Mantra, how?
3 multiplied by 100.
3 multiplied by 100. So children, everyone do the like this in your notebook. 3 multiplied by 100 equals to 300 centimeters.
Ma'am, we can do like 3 meter, then we will give one example. 1 meter is equal to 100.
Yeah, you can give that also. You can write in this way also. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter multiplied by 100 equals to 300 centimeter. Write down in your notebook faster.
Ma'am, we have to write 3 meter
The way I have written here, everything you need to write.
But on the second line,
That also, this also. Both the lines.
on the same line, we have 12.
Same. Please note down fast.
Done.
Can I erase the question? Only question.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I am giving you one more example in this. Do it faster. 11 meter. Yes, Kashvi, give me the answer of this 11 meter. How you will convert it into the centimeter?
Ma'am, 11 meter.
1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So
Is
11
equal-
meter.
is equals to 11 100 centimeter.
11 multiplied by 100. 11 meter
Is,
multiplied by...
is equals to 1100.
Yes. So whenever you are multiplying any number with the number which is having 0, just add the 0 at the back. 11 multiplied by 1 is 11 and the 2 zeros will be added. So it will be 1100 centimeter. I'm going to erase this A1. Now write the next question. Question number 2. Convert the following measurements. Please mute your mic. Measurements into meter and centimeter both. Into meter and centimeter. Now you are worried कि इसमें मीटर और सेंटीमीटर कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है.
Ma'am, now we will do opposite.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to write the question in the that page only.
So wait, children. Before writing this question number 2, I'll give you more examples in the first question only.
Ma'am, I have written question. Ma'am, but I have written this.
I also.
So what you do, leave the space and then leave the space, and then on the next space you write question number. Yeah, these are related with the question number 1 only.
Then we can write there is a. Then we can write this side there is space.
Yeah. These two questions are related with question number 1 only. Can I start now? If it is 7 meter and 58 centimeter, how you will convert it into the cent? Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Someone mic is on again. Please. So these two questions which I am giving you, C and D, is also related with the question A only. In this situation also you need to convert them into the centimeter. But here something is in meter and something is in the centimeter. So in this situation, yes, Kashvi, can you tell us what you will do in this?
Ma'am,
Moksha, wait.
Ma'am, the 7 meter will convert in 7 centimeter and the 58 centimeter will convert in meters.
No, I'll tell you. Only this will be converted into the centimeter and this is already in centimeter. This will be only added. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 7 meter equals to 7 multiplied by 100 equals to 700 centimeter. And what about this 58 centimeter will be added because it is already in the centimeters. So now the answer will be 758 centimeters. So you only need to convert this meter into the centimeter, because this is already in centimeter, will only be added at the last.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes,
There's
please.
some space, so
Ma'am,
I
your
write
screen
this
is
sums on
blurred.
the another page.
Now see, Dania, is the screen coming clear? Yes, Moksha, you can write on the another page, but write the heading that this related with the question number 1.
Ma'am, I've cancelled.
It's okay, it's okay.
Question 2 and then write it on the same page.
Okay.
C and D.
Done this one?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, 5 minutes.
I am doing D sum here. And this sum I am giving you for you to do it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, your screen is a little bit blurred.
Now check. Dania, it may be network issue sometimes happen, and within 1 or 2 seconds it will be normal. Now check it is coming properly. Coming or not, Dania?
Yes, ma'am, it is coming.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I can see your screen. Ma'am, I can see your screen.
I can see many of you are just sitting and enjoying the classes. Ane, I can see you are not doing. Don't think that teacher is not noticing to any of the child. Okay. Do this one also. 5 meters, 70 centimeter. Children, I am dictating the questions. Please write it. 5 meters, 70 centimeter. If 5 meters, 70 centimeter converted into the centimeter, what will be the answer? Who will tell me the answer after solving it? No, I want from the new student, other students.
Please, can I see?
No. Dhyan Patel, will you give me the answer of this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you convert it into the centimeter and tell me?
Yes.
Tell me fast.
5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter.
5 meter is equals to 5 multiplied by 100 equal to 500 centimeter. And what about the other? What about the 70 which is remaining?
70.
70 is already in centi. Mute yourself, other students, please.
70 will convert with 70.
70 is already in centimeters, so it will be added directly. So what will be the final answer now? 570 centimeter. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Are you all clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any child who has a difficulty till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now we move to the question number 2.
Then the question numbers 2 had in
the following measurements D1.
meters and centimeters. No?
Yeah, I will tell you in that also. Can I raise it?
Yes.
I'm doing the D1.
Yeah, D1 you can do. I'm not erasing D1. Convert the following. I'm writing the question 2 again. If those who have not written the question, they can write. Convert the following measurements into meter and centimeter. So here the sum number 1 is 645. So when you are converting from meter and when you are converting 645 centimeter, when you are converting now, centimeter is the smaller unit. Centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So when we were converting from meter to centimeter, we have multiplied. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when we are converting from centimeter to meter, we will divide. What we will do?
Divide.
Divide. We will divide 645 by 100. By
100.
100. So children, whenever you divide any number by 100, I'll give you a hint how you can write the direct answer. There are 2 zeros in the 100. So from the back, 2 values will go in the centimeter, means this 41, 2. 45 will go in the centimeter and the remaining digits will go 6 meter.
Ma'am, we have to write in this way. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write in this way. You have.
Yes. 645 divided by 100 and the answer. Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, I'm not able to see your answer. Ma'am, we can write one divide. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, 100 centimeter divide by is equal to 100 centimeter.
That also first the example you can give, but this is the way when you divide, when you are converting from centimeter to meter, because if they want something in the meter also, something in the centimeter also. So how it will come? When you converting from centimeters to meters, you divide it with the 100. So when you are dividing, I'll tell you the direct answer. When you're dividing any number by 100, 100 is having 2 zeros. So from the back, 2 values will go as the...
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is written that question to measurement into then
Into meter and centimeter.
okay. I don't see. You can do back some.
Now yeah, please check.
And the time is up.
Yeah, I know.
Your screen was blurred.
It will come within 1 or 2 seconds. I'll give you one more sum that you can do it later also. If 6, 5, 4, 9. So what will be the answer? How many meters and how many centimeters in this? Moksh, will you try?
Yes, ma'am. It will be 65 meter and 49 centimeter.
Yes, 65 meter, because 2 values will go. This number will divide it with the 100. 100 is having 2 zeros. So 2 digits will go in the centimeter and remaining digits, agar 3 digit bhi bachti hai, 2 digit bachti hai, that will be the meters. So here 65 will be the meters and 49 will be the centimeters. Got it, everyone? You will get the worksheet based on the same concept today, which we have done in the class. Fine. And even the revision also.
And I can leave. Bye, ma'am.
Can you show me a notebook that you have done or not?
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Mandra,
Ma'am, will you send? Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.